Hello there. I will wait just a few minutes to see who joins me, but I was supposed to be going live earlier this afternoon, but I missed it because I had a doctor's appointment and I did not end up having time before that. Between getting off work and going to my appointment, I had time to either scarf down some lunch or time to get on live, and I chose lunch. So I'm sorry about that if you were expecting me to be on earlier, but I'm here now, and I wanted to make up for the Facebook Live that I missed this afternoon. We are on day 3 of my Get Branded mini course, and I am Melissa Mackey with Melissa Mackey Brand Company, a web designer and brand coach, if you don't know who I am. And we're talking all things blogs and branding for direct sellers and those in the network marketing companies. So we've been talking about blogging and why it's a great idea for people in direct sales to have a blog. The last couple days I shared some of those ideas and those reasons with you. If you missed that, you can still sign up. There will be a recap email that goes out on Saturday. Tomorrow is the last day of the mini course, but the recap will go out on Saturday, so you can get all the information that you missed, plus these Facebook Live videos. If you want to sign up, I'll post the link in the comments when I'm done here, and you can go to melissamackey.net/get-branded. So that's where you can find that mini course. But I wanted to share just a little bit about today's topic, and we talked a little bit, I shared a little bit about some of the sites that I like to use and for when I create a blog or a website for somebody. We talked about your domain name and hosting and themes, installing WordPress and some things like that. I didn't go into a lot of detail because there's just not quite enough time in this mini course to do that, but I did at least want to share some of the basics. So if that's something that you're wanting to do, you can have a little bit of information to get started. Of course, if you are wanting to set up a blog or a website but don't want to try to do it yourself and try to figure that out, because it can take a while, especially if you're not sure what you're doing and you have more important things to be doing, like running your business, I am happy to help you and do it for you. That's one of the services I offer, so you are welcome to go to melissamackey.net and look around and contact me if that's something that you are interested in. Hey, for this live, I'm going to actually lower my tripod and turn the video around so you can see my computer. Sorry, this isn't like going to be probably very smooth transition, but I will do that. Hi, Sarah. I was just saying I was about ready to turn my computer or my video around so you could see my computer, so I could kind of show you a little bit of what I was talking about in the email today. So it's not going to be a smooth transition, but I'm going to lower my tripod and turn it around. And hopefully you won't see too much of my messy office. Okay, let me get it turned. Okay, I might need to lower it some more. Okay. Let's see if that will work. And hopefully I won't tip this over. Okay, and I will move my computer a little bit. Okay, right now I'm on my Facebook page. There, I hope you can see that okay. Let's go to SiteGround. That's the site that I like to use, and you can go to siteground.com, or I do have a link at the bottom of my website right here. You can click on that link to go to SiteGround. And actually, I think that link takes you right to, yes, the web hosting. So this is what you would need to do. You can choose the startup, the Grow Big or Go Geek. You can kind of read about those features and decide what's best for you. But if you want to go the cheaper route, especially if you're just getting started and don't plan on have a whole lot of viewers right away on your site, you can just do the cheaper one. That's fine. If you have a domain already, you can choose that and plug it in here, and they will transfer that for you for free. Or you can register for a new domain and choose it here. You can choose a .com or all kinds of different .net, .org, whatever. .com is probably the most popular. Mine was actually like $1,000 or $800 or something like that. I was not going to pay that for a domain. You actually get your domain for free on SiteGround with your hosting plan. So I went with .net. You can choose something like that, or you can change your domain just a little bit to find something that works for you if that's something you want to do. Let me go ahead and log in here to mine since I've already signed up. And once you get logged in, you're going to want to go to support, and they will install WordPress for you. If you go right here, install WordPress, and you can choose application installation and then select your account. I only have one of my accounts on here right now. I plan on moving my other one over. At some point, I haven't done that yet, but SiteGround is a really good site that I recommend for hosting. Okay. And then once you get WordPress installed, when you go to your website to install your theme, I will show you how to do that real quick. Let me go back to my website. Your login will be your domain name / WordPress WP -admin. And that's going to log you in. Okay, and this is my back end, and I have some different plugins and stuff installed, so different information here. But to upload your theme, you will go to Themes, Appearance, and then Themes. There are free ones that you can choose, that you can use. There's all kinds of different themes. I really like the Divi theme. It's super easy to customize, and there's lots of things that you can do with that. So you would choose Add New. You would be going to an upload theme, so you'd upload it. So first you'd go to the Divi website, the Elegant Themes website, and you can again click on the my affiliate link on the bottom of my webpage if you want to do that, or you can go to elegantthemes.com. You would join to download. You would download the theme, and then you would upload the zip file. You'll have to make sure it downloads as a zip file. You'll upload it here and install it there, and then you will click activate once you get it uploaded. And then when you add a page or a post or something like that on your website, if you want add new, so let's say you're going to start doing your about page or something, you have the option of doing the WordPress kind of just regular, where you type in what you want to say and add a picture, or you can use the Divi Builder, and then that's how you will build your website. So that's what I like to do, and that's what's worked for me, and I love how I can customize it. I'm working on somebody else's website right now, and it's been kind of fun to do different things than I did with mine and customize it that way. So I'm going to actually turn this back around. There we go. I'll hold it for now so I don't have to mess with the tripod again. So I hope that was helpful for you, just to kind of see a quick demonstration of that. Obviously there's lots more information about building websites and installing plugins and all kinds of stuff like that, but if you want to look into what services I offer, you could do that, or you could do it on your own if that's something that sounds fun to you that you want to do. So I hope that information was helpful. Tomorrow we will be talking more about branding in general and not quite so much about blogs, but I did want to touch on some branding tomorrow on the last day of the challenge. So thank you for joining. Thanks for joining, Sarah, and if you're watching the replay, thanks for doing that. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, and I will talk to you later. Bye.